Say the Nissan. Say the Nissan. Say the Nissan. Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back. Alright. Today ain't nothing special. All I'm gonna do is just gut out my car. You know, I gotta get it all out. Let me take you around for it. Let me show you what it's up. Alright. So pretty much I already started on it. But you know, if you gonna gut it out, you gotta gut it out the right way. So I'm gonna take all the carpet out, off the ceiling, and everything. Wish me good luck. Let's do this. So you guys, I got it done. It looks nice, kind of. Well, it's not finished yet, but so far, so good. You know, I got this patch in here. I don't know why this patch is still in here. I guess because it was cold and it was still sticking to it, so when it warms up, I'm gonna pull it down. But, you know, so far, so good. Got the board in here. Everything. I didn't install the chair in properly because I'm still contemplating if I want to keep it, so it's kind of wobbling. But I mean, yeah, and it sounds really good on the inside. Like, this car is hollow as shit. I wouldn't be surprised. But yeah, you guys, this is the finishing. Thanks for watching the video. I love you guys. Have a great day. Yeah.